Today, there is LGBTI, lesbian, gay, bisexual, and I'm not sure what it stands for, but LGBTI. Some people are against that, some people are accepting that. Interestingly, a lot of years ago, a lot of people used to be against flying. When first human flew, they thought, according to history books and whatever we heard from history, they thought that it's a satanic movement, and they apparently they killed that first person who tried to fly. And a few things happened in the world like that. There's some examples being heard or read from different resources that you can actually search online. Anybody can search. But many things that human don't usually accept at the beginning, laterly, at later stages, societies or public start to accept the new things, new changes in the world. Changes happen, and sometimes these radical changes might seem to be scary because what we believe, or because what we think, because what we culturally developed or educated might be scary. But eventually, we live with changes, and human adapt to changes because they feel they have to adapt to changes to be able to survive and continue life in the world. And LGBTI is obviously currently is one of them. Some of the governments, they accept LGBTI for for political reasons, and some of the governments even not only accepting but also giving permission to, such as marriage equality, gay marriage, or any kind of uh, uh, favors to gay relationships, or sort of LGBTI type of relations or choices. Currently, there is two things, or it could be said like a sexual preference, or um, sexual I'm not sure the word of it to say in English, but it's like one of them is sexual preference, or the other one is like a sexual I can say alignment, maybe sexual alignment or sexual preference. However, currently even those things are not yet fully accepted by all the people in the world, or majority of the people in the world. Even in civilized countries, developed countries, it's still a taboo, or still a something to be shamed of. Being a gay is like shamed of, or being a bisexual or being a transsexual is something to be shamed of, something bad. They accept it. They kind of describe it. Some people hate those kind of preferences. I am thinking in the future, this even will be more interesting because currently we have sexual preferences, but in the future, I think there's a big chance that there will be new sexual types, not sexual preferences. At the moment, all these sexual preferences generates from a biologically man-born or a woman-born people because of the organs at the moment, because of biologically human born in either a man or a woman, or which we describe female or male. Animals in the same way. Human are in the same way. So you describe animals, for instance. Let's give an example as a cat, a female cat or a male cat, right? So I am thinking in the future there will be female, male, and potentially more sexual types, not preferences, but types, female, male, something else, which is very interesting. So this could be crazy to think at the moment, obviously. A lot of things in the past happening today, or the things today in the past would have been crazy to think at the in the past periods. But today something's happening and it's not crazy anymore, it's accepted. And everyone can see this. And I think this could be one of the interesting thing in the future. Female, male, and some other sexual types. And even crazier to think this, maybe in the universe is so big, obviously. Currently, we are living something we call world or Earth. However, obviously, everyone kind of understood or can see that the universe is very big, or can understand from the all these media or social media. I can see that the lots of galaxies and stars and everything. Obviously, this is another argument. Are we alone in the universe? Are there aliens and everything? There might be aliens and there might be other sexual types on these alien worlds or the Earth's kind of like galaxies, Earth-like galaxies that female, male, and maybe even some other type of sexual types living in those kind of things. Because we always think aliens might be more intelligent than humans or Earth living things. However, they may not only be more intelligent or less intelligent. They could be less intelligent or more intelligent. Doesn't matter. There could be sexual differences, sexual preferences in those places, plus the sexual types, which is very interesting. Uh, if you could understand what I said, um, and if you could think of what I said, you can put your point of view as well, and you can argue about this topic. And I think it's quite interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye.